Make a great choice today with the 2011 E-Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.